I will make a lemon cream today. I think I mentioned it before, in Germany we usually don't have any air conditions in our houses, so that means it gets quite hot if we have good weather, and so we have a lot of recipes for summer that are refreshing, and one of these recipes is this lemon cream. I don't need very much for this recipe. I actually need 150 milliliters of lemon juice. That's about the amount of lemon juice you get from 3 lemons. 300 grams of whipping cream, 125 grams of sugar, 150 grams of yogurt, and you can just use any natural yogurt, and a package of gelatin plus some water. So I'm starting with the gelatin, and I'm not using the entire package. I'm using about, let's say, 3/4 of it. And I mix this with the cold water and set it aside. Then next I heat the lemon juice, and I'm not bringing it to a boil, I just heat it. And just notice that there are tiny little seeds here that I want to take out first. I could have put it through a sieve. It might have been a good idea, although I don't mind if there are tiny little seeds in it later. Okay, so the lemon juice is hot now, but it's not boiling. Now I'm adding the gelatin. I'm also adding the sugar. And once the sugar is dissolved, I set this aside and let it cool a little bit before I'm adding the yogurt. Alright, so the juice is still warm, but not that hot anymore, and I'm now adding the yogurt to it. So this goes into the fridge now. I will cover it for that, and I will check in between, and when I see that it is starting to get firm, then I will whip the cream and add it to this liquid. So after some waiting, you can now see that the liquid here is starting to gel or to set. And that means that it's time for me to whip the cream. This is 300 grams of cream, which is the same as 300 milliliters if you're using the metric system. And as I mentioned before, the US customary system is on the blog. And while I was waiting, I was reading my video comments, and someone was asking for the imperial measurements. I hope this is just some kind of British humor, because this is really going too far for me. I'm already struggling with the customary system. Okay, let's whip the cream. Okay, now I will mix these two things together. So I'm starting to put the lemon mixture in the bowl. And now I'm adding the whipped cream. And I will later decorate this dessert with something a little more colorful. Since this is a very pale cream, I will probably use some orange or something that has a little more color. Okay, I think that's mixed very well. And now I will distribute this to all of these beautiful dessert glasses. So here they are, and I give them a little bit of a shake so that the surface becomes a little more even. And then it goes back into the fridge until it has completely set, and then I will decorate it and make pictures, and then I will eat it. I hope you like this very refreshing summer dessert. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, or tell me in the comments what you think about this recipe. Don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for the next video.